Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install Crusader Kings 3 on your computer or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is really simple, so let's jump straight into it. Now let's go ahead and open up our browser right here, and you want to go ahead and head over to google.com. Inside, just search for Steam, and don't worry because Steam is a video game digital distributor service and it is one of the best out there. Go ahead and open up their official website, and inside you want to go ahead and make sure that you have your own account. If you don't, just go ahead and make a new one. After that, you want to go ahead and install the Steam client by clicking on the install Steam button right here. You could go ahead and see this button beside your profile icon. And inside, you will then be able to see this button right here, install Steam. Just go ahead and click on it and the file will automatically download into your computer. Now after installing the file, just go ahead and open it up and you will be prompted right through their storefront. Just go ahead and search for your game in the search tab that they have right here. We are looking for Crusader Kings, so I'll just go ahead and type Crusader Kings right here. And as you could go ahead and see, you will then be able to locate your game. Just go ahead and click on it, and inside, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Buy Crusader Kings 3. Go ahead and click on the Add to Cart button, view my cart, and inside you will then be able to continue to payment. Just go ahead and click on your payment method, and then you'll be able to download and install Crusader Kings on your computer or laptop. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and thank you.